Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find short folders settings on your account on Telegram. Easy and quick. First click on this three lines here and now click settings. Now here you will find it, short folders, click on it. Here you can manage your short folders, and that's it for today. That's how to find short folder settings on your account on Telegram. Easy and quick, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.